I'm at Wilson Lake at Wilson State Park, and I just parked right up there. Gonna hike we got a couple hours till dark. So I was planning on hiking on some trails, but when I got here I decided that the shoreline looks much more inviting. So I'm gonna hike off in that direction and see where we go. Of them. Most of them are half eaten. So I found a pretty good spot to make my meal. Got a flat, little craggy area here. Right here, I found a little spot. I'm gonna put my stove. I'm gonna clear away this brush, but I'm on this little crag here. And while I was doing that, I'm gonna tell you about a thing I found while walking out here. Today I'm going to make lasagna by Backpacker's Pantry. I've not had this one before. 340 calories, 2 servings, but I'm gonna eat both. Looks like it's all good ingredients there. 2 cups of boiling water, just like most of them. Good enough. Okay, while I was hiking here, I was combing the bank for what's called a hagstone. Now I look for these most of the time, just because it's something cool. A hagstone is a stone with a hole in it, and it has a metaphysical, spiritual history to hagstones. They're called hagstones because it's said that witches would use them to see metaphysical creatures in their realm. I think they've also been called hagstone because you can spot a witch through one, a hag. Now, there's a lot of them here. I just picked up this one because it was pretty cool looking, and I don't know if I'm going to see anything. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you know I've been in the metaphysical paranormal realm for 30 years researching it. They say that you can see elves and stuff through this. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the precautions in a moment. My water for my tea is ready. Kill that. And perfect. So I tell everybody when asked that I don't believe in anything except for the possibility of everything. I think anything's possible. That being said, I don't know what I think of a hagstone and how it's supposed to work. It probably gets the legend or story from somewhere, and I don't know. I've picked up some in the past. I've never seen anything, but maybe they didn't want to interact with me. Word of caution: if you try this and you see something, I would tell you not to interact with it. The thought is that there's three different possibilities. One, they are good intending and they want to help you with something. But for me, I don't think that outweighs the risk of them being either evil, tricksters, or just neutral and don't care, which is almost just as bad as evil and tricksters. So I'm not going to tell you not to try this, because even the interaction, the intention of looking through this and trying to see something could be seen as bad, because in a way you're inviting it to happen. I've done so many things to try to interact with whatever you call paranormal spirits, metaphysical creatures over the years, that this is probably the most benign thing that I've tried. So I'm gonna just like look around and check things out, and I'm not gonna bore you guys with that, but there's the view through the rock. Do I have anything attached to me? Can you see anything? Anyways, so that's the story behind the hagstone. If you come across one out there in the world, pick it up and look through it. You never know what you might see. Cheers. This is Twinings Winter Spice. It's really good. All right, let's give this a taste. I'm gonna try it as it is first, without anything added to it. It's really good. The texture of the noodles is nice. They're thin, they're little strips, which is kind of cool. The flavor overall is good. It's very the flavor overall is very good. I'm going to add some hot sauce to it. Just picked up this little bottle for, oh wait. Well, I brought it, so I'm gonna try it. I didn't realize it was sweet heat with honey. My wife would throw up if she tried this, I think. But why not? You can use a little bit of spice. Add that in there. little stir. Yeah, that gave it just what it needed, in my opinion, for me. I don't really taste the honey, so even though I don't mind it, I wasn't expecting it, and I would recommend this one. I'm just gonna finish up my lasagna there and pack up, and if the the little gnomes don't get me, I'll see you back at the car, show you on the way back to the car. Thanks for watching. Please comment. Please subscribe. Please share if you can. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.